How to use Klein Tools Solar Toolkit. Use the Journeyman compact cable cutter to cut wire to length. Use the automatic wire stripper to uniformly strip 10 to 14 AWG PV wire. Use the crimper to crimp the metal terminal pin onto the PV wire. Use the insulating wrenches to tighten the PV connector cap. Repeat the process to install the other side of the PV connector. Strip, crimp, insert, tighten. Attach male and female ends of the PV connector together. To disconnect the PV connector, use the pins at the bottom of each wrench.